Good morning. Today we will learn about selenium metabolism. The specific learning objectives for today's session are enumerate the functions of selenium, discuss the causes and manifestations of Cation disease, discuss the causes and manifestation of selenosis, that is selenium toxicity. These are the headings under which we will be learning selenium. Selenium as selenocysteine forms the 21st standard amino acid, which is coded by a stop codon. Liver, seafoods, kidney, cereals, they are the sources for selenium, and soil is one of the rich source of selenium. The recommended daily allowance is 50 to 100 micrograms per day. Functions of selenium. As I said, selenocysteine, the 21st amino acid, contains selenium and it is coded by UGA codon, which is a stop codon. It's an important antioxidant as it is a component of glutathione peroxidase. Selenium acts synergistically with vitamin E and also decreases the dietary requirement of vitamin E. It is also a component of an important enzyme in thyroid hormone synthesis, that is deiodinase, which helps the conversion of T4 to T3 in the periphery. Thioredoxin reductase also requires selenium. This enzyme is required for the conversion of ribonucleotides to deoxyribonucleotides. Selenium is required for normal development of spermatozoa. It also binds with heavy metals like mercury and cadmium and thereby protects the toxic effect of these elements. Coming to disorders of selenium, we have selenium deficiency state, that is Cation disease. It is seen in places where soil is deficient with selenium. For example, we have province of China where this disease is very common. It affects mainly the children and young women, characterized by loss of appetite, nausea, body pain and dizziness, and also affect majorly the cardiac tissue, thereby causing focal cardiac necrosis, resulting in endemic myocardiopathy, cardiac arrhythmias, cardiac enlargement, and finally congestive cardiac failure. On the other hand, we have selenium toxicity state, that is selenosis. This is due to excessive intake of selenium. Metal polishes and anti-rust compounds, they contain large amounts of selenium. Selenium toxicity clinical features are weight loss, brittle nails, hair fall, emotional disturbance, diarrhea, and garlic odor in the breath due to dimethyl selenide. With this, we have come to the end of session and we have learnt about the functions of selenium, diseases like Cation disease, a selenium deficient state, and selenosis, which is a selenium toxicity state. Thank you.